one more. Modulus of y equals to fractional part of x. We'll see this one. See. Only 3 units I am taking here. So always we'll keep a line here. It indicates that the graph should not exceed 1 here on the y-axis. So that means here from the origin you get a line like this which should touch this one, should touch this one. So here we will get air bubbles, it will never touch. The same way in this direction also. This one. So now fractional part of x graph is totally above the x-axis. Then we will flip this one. While flipping downwards also we need to maintain the line minus 1 here. So now the same thing, reflections means we will get like this. So up to here we will get more accuracy. So like this we will get the lines. Next question, mod x plus mod y equals to 1 plus x. So how to start here? See, we want mod y on left hand side. We will keep mod y equals to 1 plus x minus mod x. So first we will try to draw the graph of y equals to 1 plus x minus modulus of x. So after drawing this one, then we will flip, then it will be easy. So now listen carefully. So while handling such modulus functions with related to some other variables and constants, the best technique is see, we will evaluate the function in different cases. So because whenever modulus of x is there, we know that two cases, when x is greater than or equals to 0 and when x is less than 0. When x is greater than or equals to 0, mod x is x. So then x and x gets cancelled. So what will get here? 1. When x is less than 0, modulus of x is minus x. So minus of minus will get plus. So then what will get? 2x plus 1. So we got two graphs. See, when x is more than or equals to 0, y value is 1. When x is less than 0, it is 2x plus 1. So first we will draw this one. See, that is y equals to 1 plus x minus modulus of x. So this graph I am drawing here. See, when x is greater than or equals to 0, y equals to 1 is a straight line. So we will get like this. This is y equals to 1. And next, when x is negative, y equals to 2x plus 1. So y equals to 2x plus 1 clearly lies in y equals to 2x plus 1. See, y equals to 2x plus 1. If you close x, y is positive and x is negative. So y is positive, x is negative means in second quadrant. So you will get a line like this. So this is your line, y equals to 2x plus 1. So this is the graph of y equals to 1 plus x minus mod x. Now we want modulus of y. So when we want modulus of y means we know whatever graph is there above x-axis, you maintain it as it is. So here I will draw modulus of y equals to 1 plus x minus mod x. Now check carefully. So above x-axis what is there, that I will draw. See. So this is there. And next portion, a line, this one. So above x-axis means up to here only we will take this one. Now we need to take the reflections of this graph. So now the reflection of this line will come here again. Okay, along x-axis. Now reflection of this one means it will come like this. So this is your total graph, modulus of y equals to 1 plus x minus mod x. Next question, modulus of x plus modulus of y equals to 1. See? To draw the graph of mod x plus mod y equals to 1, first we can write this one as mod y equals to 1 minus mod x. So this is our A. So for that, draw y equals to 1 minus mod x. So this in detail we will check. See, those who are having problem, please check. In detail we will see. Mod x graph, first we know that mod x graph is this one. This is mod x graph. Minus mod x graph will be, so everything will be down. Next, 1 minus mod x graph is lift it by 1 unit above the origin. So because 1 unit we need to add, here 0 will have. So here, for suppose if you have 1 unit, this is your graph. So this is the graph of y equals to 1 minus mod x. Now we want modulus of y equals to 1 minus mod x. Now we know the principle. So in this graph, whatever is there above x-axis, you maintain it as it is. This is 1 unit. So now take the reflection of that one, means this portion and this portion. So this is the line. So now here clearly we know that where it cuts x-axis is at 1 unit length only. So because y equals to x is the graph. So and here a point and here a point. This is the graph what we are getting. See. So this is the graph mod y equals to 1 minus mod x. Mod y equals to modulus of 2 to the power of mod x minus 3. Okay students, observe the graph of this one. First we need to draw y equals to modulus of 2 to the power of mod x minus 3. For that, first I will give you 2 power x graph. So 2 power x graph, we know that it will be like this type. So this is 0, 1. Or simply write y-axis point, that is 1. Next we want 2 to the power of mod x. For 2 to the power of mod x, we know that whatever is there on the right side of y-axis, you maintain it same. That means this one. And take its reflection will be like this type. Next we want 2 to the power of mod x minus 3. Now 2 to the power of mod x minus 3 means pull down it by 3 units. So already here 1 unit means 2 units, negative 2 units. Here somewhere I will take minus 2 and here we will get something like this type. So like this, not exact parabola, some shape like that we will get. And next we need to apply modulus to this one. So that is modulus of 2 to the power of x minus 3. So for this, if you apply the modulus, what will you get? See. So when we are applying modulus means you will keep the curve which is above the x-axis and flip this one, means you will get something like this type. So this is the graph of modulus of 2 to the power of that minus 3. Now the question, modulus of y equals to modulus of 2 to the power of mod x minus 3. In this, whatever is there above x-axis, we need to keep that one as it is. That means the graph what we got, that is completely above x-axis only. So we will keep that one as it is. So that means here like this. This one. Now we need to take the reflection of this thing. So when you take the reflection of this thing means we will get one portion like this type and this type and this type.